If you're a homeowner in Manassas, Virginia, looking for ways to increase the value of your home, window replacement should be at the top of your list. The impact that new, high-quality windows can have on your home's aesthetic appeal, energy efficiency, and marketability is profound. Whether you're considering selling your home or just want to improve its overall livability, replacing old windows with modern alternatives offers many benefits. Here's how window replacement can enhance your home's value in Manassas. Boosts curb appeal. First impressions matter, especially when it comes to real estate. Potential buyers often drive by homes before deciding to schedule a tour, and windows play a significant role in the exterior appeal of your property. Old, drafty windows can detract from the overall look of your home, making it appear worn down. On the other hand, new windows can completely transform the exterior of your home, providing a fresh, clean look that catches the eye. In Manassas, where neighborhoods are diverse in architectural styles, choosing the right windows can complement the character of your home. Whether you're in a classic colonial, a modern ranch, or a traditional Victorian-style home, there are window styles that can highlight the beauty of your property. Investing in window replacement not only improves aesthetics but can also make your home stand out on the market, giving you a competitive edge. Enhances energy efficiency. One of the most significant benefits of replacing your windows is the improvement in energy efficiency. Older windows often have poor insulation, leading to drafts that let warm air escape during winter and cool air leak out in the summer. This inefficiency forces your heating and cooling systems to work harder, resulting in higher energy bills. By upgrading to energy-efficient windows, you can drastically reduce your energy consumption. Modern windows are equipped with advanced technologies, such as low emissivity, low-E coatings, double or triple panes, and gas fills that create a better barrier against heat loss or gain. This reduction in energy usage can save you hundreds of dollars a year on utility bills, making your home more affordable to live in and a more attractive investment for potential buyers. Homes with energy-efficient features are increasingly in demand, and buyers in Manassas are often willing to pay a premium for properties that promise lower utility costs. Improves comfort and safety. Replacing windows also enhances the comfort and safety of your home. Older windows may not open and close properly, making it difficult to regulate the indoor temperature or create proper ventilation. Furthermore, outdated windows are often made of less secure materials, making your home more susceptible to break-ins. Modern windows, on the other hand, are designed with ease of use and security in mind. They open and close smoothly, ensuring that you can enjoy fresh air and maintain a comfortable living environment. Additionally, energy-efficient windows help maintain consistent indoor temperatures, eliminating cold spots in the winter and hot areas in the summer. From a security perspective, many modern windows feature reinforced glass, stronger locking mechanisms, and improved durability, all of which provide added peace of mind for homeowners. Increases home marketability. When it's time to sell, buyers in Manassas often look for homes with updated features and modern amenities. Investing in window replacement can make your home more appealing to potential buyers, allowing you to command a higher asking price. Homes with new, energy-efficient windows are more attractive because they offer immediate cost savings and reduced maintenance compared to older homes with outdated windows. Additionally, homes with upgraded windows may stand out more in a competitive market. Buyers who are focused on energy efficiency, sustainability, and long-term savings will appreciate a home that has already taken steps to improve these aspects. In Manassas, where the real estate market can be competitive, having modern, energy-efficient windows could be the key factor that sways a buyer's decision. Offers a strong return on investment. And home improvements can vary in terms of their return on investment, ROI. But window replacement consistently offers one of the best ROIs for homeowners. According to national home improvement reports, homeowners can expect to recoup a significant portion of their window replacement investment, often ranging from 70% to 80%. In areas like Manassas, where home values have been steadily rising, the ROI could be even higher, depending on the quality and type of windows you choose. The benefits of window replacement extend beyond the immediate aesthetic and comfort improvements. The energy savings, increased home value, and enhanced marketability of your home make it a smart investment in both the short and long term. Conclusion: if you're a homeowner in Manassas looking to boost your home's value, improve its energy efficiency, and enhance its overall appeal, window replacement is a wise choice. With the added benefits of increasing curb appeal, comfort, and safety, as well as offering a strong return on investment, new windows are an upgrade that provides both immediate and long-lasting advantages. Whether you're preparing to sell or simply want to enjoy a more comfortable and attractive living space, investing in window replacement is a decision that pays off in numerous ways.